Tecno, the mobile phone manufacturer, launched the Tecno Camon 19 in the Kenyan market. The phone is the latest iteration in the Camon series and is a successor to the Camon 18. The phone is designed to overcome the traditional challenges associated with photography in nighttime and low light conditions with features like a 64MP bright night portrait photography technology and the industry's slimmest 0.98mm bezel. The phone will also feature the RGBW color filter sensor technology, which adds a white sub-pixel to the existing universal RGB configurations to enable light intake to be enhanced by 30%. Pricing: Camon 19 cache, $23,499. Camon 19 Pro cache, $33,799. Camon 19 Pro 5G cache, $41,599. Tecno Camon 19 specifications: network GSM, HSPA LT. Body dimensions 6.56 x 2.93 x 0.33 inches. SIM, nano SIM. Screen size 6.8 inches. Resolution 1080 x 2460 pixels. OS, Android 12. Chipset, MediaTek Helio G85 12nm. CPU octa-core 2 multiplied by 2.0 GHz Cortex-A75 and 6 multiplied by 1.8 GHz Cortex-A55. GPU Mali G52 MIC2. Internal storage 128 GB. RAM 8 GB/6 GB RAM. Main camera 64MP wide plus 2MP wide. Selfie camera single 16MP. USB Type-C 2.0. Battery type LiPo 5000 mAh, non-removable. Charging 18W. Colors Eco Black, Sea Salt White, Digital Green.